Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Brawley local and long-distance movers near me. Searching for a reputable and cheap Brawley moving company should be very easy. 3 Movers will make it less complicated when you want to complete a long-distance or local move. Our company offers moving services for commercial and residential customers. Our crew works with veterans, students, homeowners, business owners, leaseholders, and everyone else hoping to move. If you're ready to move into a dormitory, a new house, or even a business location, we can definitely help you. Our staff of experienced movers can ensure your long distance move goes properly. We assist you with the move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,000 miles. Relocating isn't easy. However, using the best moving services can definitely make it so much simpler. Working with our team gives you access to all of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It might not be easy to reconcile the price of getting a California moving company. However, following a close look at the major perks of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. The time savings you can get can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Movers also ensure you don't need to stress over injury, since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Brawley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.